Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you the fourth part of chapter magnetism in class 6 physics. Okay, so in the previous video I already discussed with all of you about the making of the magnet, and in this video I am just going to teach you about the permanent and the temporary magnet. So I think there is no need to explain it, but as it is my duty, so that I am going to explain it and you will be able to understand whatever I will going to teach you. So what is the name of the topic? The topic is the permanent magnet and temporary magnet. It is clear from the name. These are the magnet. Or how we can define the permanent and the temporary magnet? So it is very easy. The magnet, those retain the magnetism for very long period of time. ऐसे मैग्नेट्स जो बहुत लंबे समय तक के लिए अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी को अपने पास रखते हैं, दे आर नोन एज द permanent magnet. That means they are having the magnetic property for long time. And temporary magnets are those that retain the magnetism for short period of time, जो बहुत कम समय के लिए रखते हैं. That means it is a short period of time magnet and it is the long period of time of the magnet. Okay, now as we are using when we are making the temporary magnet, just in previous video I taught you. So when we are making the temporary magnets, we are just using the iron. We are using the iron as a magnetic material. So why we are using the iron as a magnetic material? क्यों हम iron का ही use करते हैं? Why we are not going to use the cobalt, nickel? So the reason behind it, the iron is a material which magnetize as well as demagnetize very easily. That means iron एक ऐसा material है जिसको हम आसानी से मैग्नेटाइज भी कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स में मैग्नेटिज्म डेवलप भी कर सकते हैं और उसके मैग्नेटिज्म को हम बहुत आसानी से कम भी कर सकते हैं. दैट इज वाई वी आर यूजिंग द आयरन फॉर मेकिंग द टेम्पोररी मैग्नेट्स. ओके, now in the previous video I already taught you about the electrical method of the magnet, how we can make the electrical method. So electrical method से जो हम magnet बनाते हैं, that magnet is the electromagnet. That means a magnet whose property is because of the electric current. So electromagnets भी होगा एक यहाँ पर electromagnet. अब ये कौन से मैग्नेट है? जस्ट क्लियर फ्रॉम द नेम, द मैग्नेट हुज मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज बिकॉज ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. जब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के पास होने से मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी डेवलप हो रही है तो दैट मैग्नेट इज कंसिडर्ड एज द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. एंड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट इज ऑल्सो अ टेम्पोररी मैग्नेट. इट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ टेम्पोररी मैग्नेट. वाई? बिकॉज एज द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज कट ऑफ, the magnet is not going to behave like a magnet. That's why it is also the type of the temporary magnet. Okay, now let us discuss about the storing of magnet. How we can store the magnet is also very important topic. Storing and handling of magnets. So when we are just discussing about the storing of magnet, so we must keep the magnet in the proper way. If we are not going to keep magnet in the proper way, so it will just going to lose its magnetic property. That means अगर हम magnet को अच्छे से नहीं रख रहे हैं, so that it will going to lose its magnetic property. So that we must keep it properly. First thing is there, avoid the dropping of magnet from the height. That means if we are going to drop the magnet from the height, it is just going to demagnetize. That means by dropping it from the height. अब magnet क्या कह रहे हैं हम? How it will be demagnetized? So first way I told you, by dropping it फ्रॉम हाइट। अब बहुत ऊंचाई से अगर मैग्नेट को गिरा देंगे सो इट विल गोइंग टू रिड्यूस इट्स मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी बाय हीटिंग। इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हीट इट, it is also going to lose its magnetic property. Don't hammer by hitting with hammer. इसको हमें हैमर से हिट भी नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू लूज इट्स मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, नाउ इफ वी आर गोइंग टू कीप द मैग्नेट, अगर हम मैग्नेट को रख रहे हैं फॉर स्टोरिंग, फॉर कीपिंग, सो हाउ वी कैन कीप द मैग्नेट प्रॉपरली? सो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर द मैग्नेट, वी हैव टू यूज द मैग्नेटिक कीपर। वी हैव टू यूज मैग्नेट कीपर। अब मैग्नेट कीपर क्या होता है? सो मैग्नेट कीपर, इट इज जस्ट अ flap like structure which is kept between the magnet। उनको मैग्नेट के बीच में रखा जाता है so that it is just going to minimize the self magnetism। that means कि अगर मैग्नेट को हम आपस में सटा के रखेंगे तो वो डीमैग्नेटाइज हो जाएगा, तो उसके बीच में एक ऐसा मटेरियल रख दिया जाता है जिससे वो डीमैग्नेटाइज ना हो, और दैट इज नोन एज द मैग्नेटिक कीपर। Now, the last topic of this chapter is the uses of magnet. So, uses of magnets. So, magnets are used for the various purpose. We can use the magnets at the home, at the appliances, and at the everywhere where we can use. So magnets are used in the telephones, as you know, television, computer, tape recorder, speakers, widely used in the speakers, televisions, radio, computer chips, etc. Okay, it is also used for finding the direction in the magnetic compass. It is used in magnetic compass. For what? For finding the direction. Okay. It is also used in automobiles and motors and the machinery. Electromagnets are also used in electric bells, motors and telephone. That means we can say the magnets, especially the electromagnet, used in इलेक्ट्रिक बेल। आपने जो इलेक्ट्रिक बेल आपके घर में लगी है, where that electromagnet is utilized. It is used in electric bells, okay, motors, generators, etc. It is also used in the cranes. That means for lifting the things. That means it is also utilized in the cranes. And for about the cranes, you all are knowing, for lifting and moving up the scrap of metals. जो metal scrap होते हैं उनको क्या करने के लिए, रिमूव करने के लिए in the cranes the magnets are utilized. And the magnets is strongly and widely utilized in the maglev train. It is utilized in the maglev train. So maglev train, it is the train who is having short magnetic levitation. बहुत ही, when it is going to move, it's just like the moving from the up from the just their पटरीज जो होती हैं उनकी पटरीज से ऊपर उठी है. दिस इज द फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन टिल डेट. अभी तक की सबसे ज़्यादा फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन है. एंड द स्पीड ऑफ दिस ट्रेन इज अबाउट 500 किलोमीटर पर आवर. That means this is the speed of the maglev train. And how this train works, what is the principle behind this train. So the principle behind this train is the repulsion between the like poles of the magnets. That means you have studied about the repulsion when the same poles repel each other. So here what happened, the repulsion between the like poles of the magnet in the guide way and in the bottom of the train. That means जो उनकी पटरी होती है और जो ट्रेन का बेस होता है उसके बीच में क्या होता है, रिपल्शन होता है, so that the lifts the train and from the guide up. That means कि वो पटरी से थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठ करके चलती है because of the repulsion. So this is all about this chapter, magnetism. I hope you enjoyed the video, and whatever I had taught to you, you would be able to understand. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, magnetism. I will meet with all of you with the next video, with the next chapter. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.